To put images inside of shapes, first of all, let's create a new file. Once the file added, right click on this shape, and here we can see rectangle shape, ellipse tool shape, triangle, and polygon shape. To get more shape, just click on custom shape tool and click on this drop down, and here you will find bunch of different shapes. You can go ahead and just select any shape and draw the shape just like so. Here we can see the shape successfully added. Now click on this stroke and make sure to disable stroke for the shape and click on fill, and here you can select a different color for the shape. Now select the selection tool and it's time to insert image into this shape. So I'm going to opening my image first of all. Once you've successfully inserted the image, now simply click and drag the image and just add the image into your shape project, or you can simply copy and paste the image. To do that, first of all, make sure to unlock the image layer and then select the image layer and press Ctrl C, and then go to your shape project and press Ctrl V, and the image will be inserted here. And now to resize your image, press Ctrl T, and here you will find this free transform. Now you can resize your image just like so. Okay, now it's time to insert this image to this shape. So make sure to put the image layer above the shape layer. Now right click on your image layer and click on create clipping mask, and then you will see the image has been successfully added to the shape. And you can also press Ctrl T to enable free transform, and you will be able to resize the image just like so, and click on OK. And now let's add another shape here. So I'm selecting custom shape and clicking on this drop down, and now I'm selecting here tree shape and drawing the shape first, going to stroke, disabling the stroke, and now I'm going to opening my another image. So let's open this image for example, and unlocking the layer, pressing Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl T to enable free transform, and OK. Right clicking on the image layer, clicking on create clipping mask, and boom, as you can see, the image has been successfully inserted to the shape.